Come on. Get tight, bitch. I don't know if he knows he's hooked yet or not, dude.
Usually right around there they fucking pull down. Yeah, you got to use a good one.
It feels big on this junk reel. I hope it holds up. Can't tell how big he is. He ain't pulled drag out yet, so I don't know. That was on a bluegill too, Ron. Just like you should know that. Go on, baby. Don't say maybe. Hope I rigged that spinner up right. Fucking reeled in the knot or something, but I don't like that. Looks about like the one you caught.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Might be a little heavier.
Alright, let me fix this boat real quick. Hope I don't go in the prop. No, mine. Alright, I got the button pushed in here, I guess. Oh, I don't know if he'll hit 20 or not, but he's close.
He's gonna hit 20.
Think so?
Oh yeah, I think you're probably pushing. I don't know, you might touch 25, 26.
I'm gonna guess 22, but
He's pretty long, pretty fucking fat.
that was that little spinner and a gill, dude. I finally got one on a gill. Fuck yeah. Turn this off so I don't accidentally hit it. See if I can't get my arm ripped off here. I knew we were gonna catch a couple big ones. I just had a feeling. Or I had a feeling. What the fucking cunt? What's going on there? Go. If it'll work, it'll work.
He's pretty chunky, man.
Let's go. You feel close to 20.
I think he's gonna go millions at least.
It might be heavier than yours. It's just they're about the same size, really.
Yeah.
Just depends on it.
Fucking hips, on pounds.
No, he ain't cutting it. He's right at 18.
18.
Yeah. See, I told you. I get the screwed by the fishies. He feels 20, but he ain't. But I'll take it. I'm happy. I'm happy, dude. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, fish. I appreciate it. I don't have to have the big one. That's plenty big enough for me. I'm happy all day. That one looks bigger, or is another big catfish. Get my pole out of your way here. How the heck are you catching all these, bro? Give me some tips, Ron. That's a big fish, dude.
That's a better one.
Yeah. As long as it don't get off, Ron's gonna have me beat. Especially with the damn boat. You got that son of a bitch everywhere. Fix his ass. Pull that way a hair. That was a hell of a bubble. He looked like a big ass channel cat for what I seen of him. Must be a blue. Well, he's gulping there. That's a big one, dude. Jesus. Yeah. Oh man, he's got a big old.
Damn. Lamprey fucking smack him.
That's another big one. Damn, Ron, you're always catching the big ones, dude. God damn. It's a nice one.
That's a nice one. Looks like I hit a fucking prop, maybe.
I don't felt in the 20s for sure. 25 or so. Maybe 27. In 25 range, I'd say. Oh, I don't have it on yet. Trying to snap my finger off.
Grab it. Oh, fuck it was.
I ain't turning on. Hold on.
I have fucking fish.
It ain't turning on.
I'm gonna fucking twist it up here. Dipshit.
Yeah, that thing about got my finger in it. Now it's working. I wonder if it's because it was weighing. Some kilograms again. Alright. That was right at 20. 20 and a half, I'd give you, maybe. Alright, let me get a picture, sir. That's a good one, Ron.
Yeah.
He looked like bigger than 20, too. It was the bad part. Fucking thing looks 80 pounds, bro.
He's fat.
Oh, zoom too far. There you go. Oh yeah, Ron, that's a fucking beast, bro. Beating me already. And he's got a mark down there too. And he's pissing everywhere, it looked like.
Yeah, he's fucking all scarred up. Or there's a fish. I bet it's been spawning.
Probably. Probably why it's so light.
Oh, fucking unclip this damn thing.
I'll be honest, I don't like that damn cord on there. That damn thing cut your damn finger off. You ain't
Well, last
channel cat, huh? Little, I take. He might be bigger than you think. Fucking shovelhead, dude. Telling you, I was talking about it. Oh shit, here goes all my poles. That thing might be bigger than you think, dude. That was the one that thought about hitting mine and then quit. Big old channel. I'll net him for you if he ever comes back up again. There's even a Ziploc bag in this thing, dude. Oh, a nice channel.
Yeah. I'll take a picture of that channel. That's the biggest channel I've caught in a while.
Yeah. Minus Lake Erie. We'll get you releasing them. Got a weird spot on them too down at the back,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
funny. Interesting.
Yeah.
And half a whisker. Oh no, it's fucking taking off on me. It's coming up. Ah, he ain't that big. He ain't that big. He was acting like he was for a second. He's mad though. He's mad. Try not to lose my bait. Try to. It's too late. Channel cat. Don't harm me, you cunt bag. Right in his damn eyeball. There he went. All 5 pounds of them probably. But I did catch some. That's my average fish. Try not to slime the boat too bad. That thing was weird. It was going left or right. Huh. Probably 4 pounds, 3.5, 4 pounder. Yeah. Hammered it, bro. Let me guess, 50 pounds. I think you're finally on board. That's a channel.
Yeah.
That's a regular old channy cat. Hey, ain't blue.
He ain't blue. What's he thinking? Come on over here. About the same size of you, blue.
Really? I like how you can get a fish for 8 hours, bro, and they never let off. I get one, they're off 1 second. Damn.
That was bigger than the last one, definitely.
That's 30, 40 pounds. Oh, not bad.
Looks like it's hooked in the side.
Looks like a channel.
Nice channel.
Or it might be a blue, I can't tell. Ah, it's a blue. He looks about the same damn size as me. You want them netted or you want to grab them? He might be close to 5, maybe. Can't tell. That was your lucky one too. Dang. Don't say it though. I'll have to edit it out. He's probably close to 5. He might be the biggest today. Oh.
Oh, chunkier. Chunkier than the last.
There you go. Was he 5?
Yeah, 5.
The boat's gonna be just totally fucked, dude. This one feels heavy on this pull. Hopefully it's a good hook. He's coming right up top. He ain't fighting. He's pretty good size.
Yeah.
He ain't no 30 pounder. The hook ain't very good, dude. What the heck is this thing doing, bro? I'm telling you, I'm in the twilight zone today. Look at twilight zone.
There we go. That'll be a photo.
Alright, let me try to get this turned real fast before we get really fucked. That handled that big one pretty good, but he quit fighting too. Yes, right there where your foot is.
Down here.
Yeah, my grippers and everything's in there. Alright. Hell yeah. Biggest one of the year for me, for sure.
Yeah, I guess I could grab my grippers. Would have been a fucking smart thing to do, huh?
Yeah, we forgot we have them. Open up, baby. I'm coming in. You don't want to open, Ron. Come on. I'm here about your cavities. I'd say 13 pounds.
You look at it, I ain't telling you.
That's kilograms.
Yeah, needs to be fucking set over to fucking, there you go, pounds.
Almost right on the money.
Yeah.
About 13, maybe 2, 3 tops. All right, now for a picture. There he is. Oh. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm gonna get you back in. Let go. Let go. You gotta let go. I told you, man. I get the weird shit. That was an easy catch and release. Put slime on my boat up, little prick.